Go get your mirror so you can see your face getting smaller. Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I will share Rendo Sugimoto's method to make your face smaller. Before you begin, take a look at your face and select the bigger side. We will work on that side. First, we will work on the facial structure to make it smaller. He divides the face into 3 parts. The top part is between the forehead and the eyes. The middle part is between the eyes and cheekbones. The bottom part is between the cheekbones and the chin. I am going to work on the left side. To make the top part smaller, find the area where the top part of the head and the side of the head meet. Move the scalp up and down from the front towards the back, 3 times with your fingertips. It's about 2 inches or 5 centimeters. You may find it very tight. Move your scalp as if you're peeling it off from the skull. Next, for the middle part, place your thumb below the cheekbone by your ear with the nail facing up. Dig in and slide as you press upward. You may feel it painful. For the bottom part, place your thumb at the bottom edge of the cheekbone with the nail facing up, and dig in and slide as you press upward. Check and see if your face is different on the side that you worked on. But don't do the other side yet, because now we will work on reducing the facial fat, and I want you to see more difference. Rendo says that fat is basically a pocket underneath the skin, and most of it is bodily fluid trapped in a yellowish fiber. Each fat pocket has an exit, but it's usually closed due to tightness, or it's being pulled by a tightness in a remote location, and so the fat doesn't get drained easily. So we will loosen those tight spots to open the exits for specific fat pockets. For the upper cheek fat, loosen the area below the collarbone in the center with your fingertip or fingertips on the side you're working on. You may feel tight or even painful if it's very tight. For the lower cheek fat next to your mouth, loosen the area between the 3rd and the 4th ribs. Below the collarbone, the first rib you feel is the 2nd rib. Go down to the 3rd rib and rub underneath. For the fat on the side of your face that's making your face wider, put your 4 fingers in the armpit and rub above the armpit with your thumb downward. Now check and see if there's any difference on your face, and let me know if you do. Now go back and do the same on the other side if you like. Isn't this fascinating? And the way he's getting this information is even more fascinating. And please let me know if you'd like to see more of this unique method that he's teaching. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell. Make it a great week.